This video here, we're going to write an equation of a line that contains the point, the given point, and is parallel to the given line. So otherwise, I want to create a line parallel to the equation that I see now. So otherwise, I want to create another equation, but it has to go through this point. Alright, and so the big one here is that we need to get it into the slope-intercept form. So we're going to, and this is the form I'm talking about, y equals mx plus b. Alright, so I've got to do this first. So I'm going to get y by itself. So this is a plus 4x, so I'm going to subtract 4x to both sides. And remember what I said before, this is a zero pair. Why is it a zero pair? Because you have a plus 4 and a minus 4 and they equal 0. There are a pair of numbers that are exactly the same, or a pair of terms that are exact same except for their signs. And because they're opposite, they subtract each other out. Now I'm going to bring down 2y. And now the other one is 7 minus 4x. Now I got to divide both sides by 2. When I do, y equals 7/2 minus 2x. Alright. Well, I know what my slope is. Now, I need to know something about parallel lines. Parallel lines, they increase, their steepness is the same. So that means their slopes are the same. Their y-intercepts are different, but their slopes are the same. So I am going to use -2 as my slope. I have a point of -1, 4, and I'm going to use that for my x and y. So I'm going to use the point slope form because I have a point and I have the slope. Alright? And so I'm going to use this form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and I'm going to plug these in. So y1 is 4, my slope is -2, my x is a -1, and it's being subtracted by 1. Alright, so clean it up a little bit. There it is. Now I distribute the 2 to everything on the inside there. And so I get y minus 4 equals 2x plus 2. Add 4 to both sides. And now I get y equals 2x plus 6. Now, if I took this equation here, I forgot the negative, didn't I? The negative here, these two have the same slope. They're both -2x. So that means they're parallel, but their y-intercepts are different. You could graph that. Now, if I wanted to put it back in standard form, then I just move the 2x over. Alright? And I'm going to show you how I do that right here. So that's y equals a my thing doesn't want to write a negative. That's what the problem is. Plus 6. If I remember right, it was plus 6. Yes? Alright, and so then I'm going to add 2x to both sides. I'm putting this in standard form. And standard form is when you have ax plus by equals c. And there is our standard form. So this line, this equation, and this equation 2y equals 7. These two lines are parallel to each other. So remember, when you have parallel lines, their slopes have to be the same and their y-intercepts are different.